that here on satellite and radar. This is going to give us tons of sunshine and a warmer day, but look what's just to our north. Another cold front. This one, thankfully, not as strong, but it will briefly cool us down to end the week before we can finally settle into a well-deserved warmer stretch of weather. Right now, though, it is cold out there. You'll want to grab the coats heading out the door. 42 in Tampa, 37 in Wesley Chapel, 34 in Bartow, 47 in Winter Haven, 35 in Dade City, freezing up in Crystal River and in Brooksville. We talked about that yesterday, that the Nature Coast might just drop down to freezing. You sure did. 43 in Clearwater, 46 in Sarasota. It is warmer than yesterday, but obviously still coat-worthy out there to start the day, and seat heater-worthy as well if you're lucky enough to have them. We do have a frost advisory for inland Hernando and Citrus County through 8 o'clock. So if you live there, just know you might want to give yourself a few extra minutes just in case some frost has developed on your windshield if the car is parked outside. Otherwise, we look ahead to a beautiful day. Notice by 9 o'clock, we're already in the low 50s. Highs today reaching the low 70s. It is going to be beautiful with tons of sunshine, so hopefully you can get out and enjoy it. I'll have the details on how that front will impact our forecast for your Thursday, and of course talk about warmer weather on the horizon. All the details in just a few minutes. But now it's time to get a check of the roadways. Sarah Rosario, Tico Energy spot where they can stay really warm over there. All right, let's talk about what's going on when it comes to the forecast. We have a handful of changes on the way, but I think you're going to like most of the changes. Let's talk about tomorrow. We have a cold front that's going to move in. That's going to bring us a chance for early morning rain, and temperatures are going to drop through the day. Tomorrow will be chilly and breezy, and then as we head into the back half of the week and even more so into the weekend, we're going to have a ridge of high pressure build really strong, and what that's going to do is block any weather systems from moving in, and most importantly, it's going to kick off a really nice warming trend for us, and our temperatures going into next week, can't wait to show them to you because it is going to feel spectacular. Temperatures right now, plenty cold. You're going to want to grab the coats as you head out the door, although this is warmer than the last couple of days. 40 in Lakeland, 42 right now in Tampa, 47 in Port Manatee, 54 in St. Pete, 32 up in Brooksville and in Crystal River. We're at 36 in Dade City and 36 right now in Wauchula. I do want to let you know, if you live up along the Nature Coast, specifically inland Hernando and Citrus County, you have a frost advisory through 8 o'clock. So you might have a little frost on the windshield. Give yourself a few extra minutes for that. Highs today, your eyes aren't fooling you. How's 70s for the afternoon today? It's going to feel great. Mid-70s inland from Polk County into Highlands and Hardee County. But then that changes tomorrow as that front moves in. Currently sitting across the southeast, bringing rain anywhere from the panhandle of Florida up into the Carolinas. That will move into our area late tonight into early tomorrow morning. So let's time it out with Futurecast for you. Going into this evening, after about 11 o'clock, a few showers possible along the Nature Coast. And then through the overnight hours, around 3 a.m. is when we'll have the most widespread coverage of rain. So it's really not going to impact most of you. But notice some heavier downpours possible. We could pick up some measurable rainfall from this, which we do need. Now, if you're an early commuter and you live south of I-4, you could be greeted with some rain out the door tomorrow morning. Here's a look just after 5 a.m. Notice Polk County, maybe down over the Sunshine Skyway into Sarasota County, some showers possible. And really between 5 and 7 will be the highest impact for commuters south of I-4. By 8 a.m., we're starting to dry out, the exception of a few lingering showers in Highlands County, and temperatures again dropping through the day, and it will be breezy, which is going to make it feel a little cooler. Notice through the afternoon, it'll feel more like the 40s to low 50s, so you'll need the layers all day tomorrow, feeling more like the 30s to 40s Friday morning, and it'll feel more like the upper 50s through Friday. Saturday looks great, chilly start, upper 60s for highs. We're back in the 70s Sunday, and once we get there, we have a nice stretch of 70-degree days all the way potentially into the following weekend. Well-deserved nice stretch of weather. Marine forecast shows light chop on the bay, seas at about a foot. 7-day shows no weather impact alerts. 70 today, early morning rain, and cooler day tomorrow. Once we go back in the 70s Sunday, we stay there into next week. All right. Now